Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise Guys. Last week's video I showed you how to restore front headlights on a car that have been cloudy with the oxidation. I'm going to show you how to redo a treatment that was done years ago and that needs to be redone. Let's get started. This has been done probably about 5 years ago, and it probably needed to be redone I'd say a couple years ago. So the treatment has been peeling, and so I'm going to go ahead and scrape it off here, all the loose stuff with a flat razor blade. I found that the best way to scrape this off is to use the blade like this and go back and forth across it. You can get the real loose stuff off with going this way, but to get it kind of blended in, go like this. Okay, and then after that's done, then just buff it out with the steel wool. Alright, after scraping it and steel wooling it and getting it all cleaned off, and it's ready to treat and tape it off good. And last week I showed you I use clear coat, the crystal clear acrylic coating. It's an exterior, interior, but this is no longer available at Walmart. And so what I did is I found this called Colorshot clear sealer, and it's for wood, metal, plastic, and other crafts. It's outdoor and interior. So we're going to go ahead and now that we've got it cleaned, disregard the water inside. It's something I'll have to deal with later, but right now we're going to bring back this clear lens. Okay, we're going to do a light coat first. Alright, I have an issue here. We just completed this. I came back a little bit later, and it's a cooler day today, and the Colorshot there, and not the Krylon, but the Colorshot is what I used. The same temperatures, the Krylon worked great, but you'll see here the Colorshot is sagging, running, and it just looks horrible. So it failed. I would maybe do it in the summertime, light coats, but I would just go ahead and use the Krylon Crystal Clear. Even though Walmart doesn't carry it in their automotive paint section, it's possible it's in the craft section, and you can get it online in other craft stores. So I know that the Crystal Clear from Krylon, the acrylic coating, works very well. So I would look for that, and hopefully you can find it and then stick with that. Or if you use the other, do it when the warmer temperatures and light coats. Don't put the medium coat on there, because you can see these sags and it just came out horrible. Alright, so sometimes a project doesn't work as way you think it's going to, but it looked like it was going to be promising. But I would stick with the Krylon. Alright, I hope that helps. I pray that you are blessed, and that you know Him who is the author of life.